Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to improve problem solving skills. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to improve problem solving skills. Improving problem solving skills is a valuable asset in any aspect of life. Whether it is your personal or professional life, here are some tips to help you enhance your problem solving skills. Number 1. Identify the problem. To solve a problem, you first need to identify it accurately. Pay attention to the details and gather all the information related to the issue. This will help you develop a clear understanding of the problem and its underlying causes. Number 2. Analyze the problem. After identifying the problem, the next step is to analyze it. Break the problem down into smaller parts and examine each part carefully. Ask yourself what caused the problem and what effects it has on your life or work. Number 3. Generate multiple solutions. Come up with as many solutions as you can think of, regardless of how practical or feasible they are. The goal is to encourage creativity and generate ideas that you may not have thought or otherwise. Number 4. Evaluate potential solutions. After generating multiple solutions, evaluate each one carefully. Consider the pros and cons of each option and assess how likely each solution is to solve the problem effectively. Number 5. Implement the best solution. Based on your evaluation, choose the best solution and put it into action. Make a plan and execute it step by step and be open to making adjustments along the way. And then lastly, number 6, reflect on the process. After you have solved the problem, take some time to reflect on the process. Consider what worked well and what didn't, and think about what you can do differently in the future to improve your problem solving skills. Practice is the key to developing your problem solving skills, so make an effort to tackle problems whenever you encounter them. By following these steps and staying curious and persistent, you will be able to improve your problem solving skills and become a more effective and efficient problem solver. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation regarding about how to improve your problem solving skills. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.